Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having the same issue that you're receiving a message, please contact to iTunes support to complete the transaction. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first you have to double check your network connection that you have a strongest and stable network connection. And after that, you can also check your VPN connection. If your VPN is connected, try to disconnect with that. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and sure to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. And once you have checked, you have to go back from here and then you have to simply open your browser and search for Apple support, or you can search for support.apple.com. So you have to open the first website, or if you have any Apple Support apps, you can use your app. So simply open your app here and then select your iPhone from here. Then select more option. Now you just have to look for iTunes or iTunes Store. Here's the iTunes Store. Select that and then select Get More Help. Now select Call Us. And after that, you'll get your phone number whenever you want to talk. You just have to simply dial this phone number and you will be contacted with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, it should be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.